Adding a shine effect to an icon in CapCut PC can make it stand out in your video. Open CapCut PC and import your icon/image into the timeline. Resize the icon and duplicate it by Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Select the duplicated layer and navigate to HSL under Adjustment tab. In HSL, select all the colors and set their brightness to 100. Now navigate to Mask under Video tab and apply Filmstrip Mask. Set the rotation of mask to -60 degrees. Set the area of shining as per your desire. Drag this mask towards the left corner and apply initial keyframe. Move the playhead and apply last keyframe by dragging the mask downward. For smooth transition, click right on duplicated layer. You will find variable speed animation. Simply apply ease graph for the dynamic look. Preview your video, and if you are satisfied, then export it.